Today we are melting scrap sterling silver to make some new jewelry. So here we are making sure that the sterling silver is completely melted and ready to get poured. Our first experiment is pouring the molten silver into water. When it comes out, you can see some of the copper in the sterling, and this will turn silver once we remove the oxidation. Yeah. Here are a few other tests that we did in the water. Now we're going to try pouring into spaghetti. It smells very bad, and all of the silver went straight to the bottom of the can. This is the before and after. I've been taking metalsmith lessons at Community Jewelry Art Studio in Los Angeles. It's a new jewelry studio, and the teacher offers this along with other workshops.
This shot is amazing.
Our next test is pouring silver into a can of beans. This shape comes out quite differently than when we pour it into water. When hot water hits metal, it's called quenching. We're now going to mark the spot on the back of the water mold, and we're going to start soldering on a post so we can wear these as earrings. There's that quench again. This is how all of the pieces turned out with all of the different techniques we tried. Here's the necklace from the water mold, and the pendant from the bean pour. This ring was from the water pour that we did. And then lastly, all of the different earrings from all the different pours we made. Let Megan and I know which technique out of all of these was your favorite.